In this video, we'll take a look at roles. Previously, Vision used a permission-based system where every user had to be assigned an individual set of permissions. We've now simplified this process by introducing predefined permission templates. These templates are organized by user responsibilities and are called roles. The company admin role has the highest level of access and includes the full set of permissions available in the system. If we open the permissions for this role, you'll see that every available permission is enabled. The key permission that makes a company admin different is Edit Other User Permissions. This permission allows company admins to manage the permissions and roles of all other users. The company admin also has access to the complete set of options in the top navigation menu. As you can see, there's a Roles tab. If we open it, we'll see the list of predefined roles. These roles are created and maintained by the SoftSmile administration team. They are available globally across all companies and all users on the web portal. Because of that, predefined roles cannot be edited or deleted. They serve as the default roles that can be assigned to any new user. If we expand the company admin role, we can review its complete set of permissions. The account manager role has a slightly more limited set of permissions, with access tailored to its responsibilities. The doctor role includes permissions that support clinical workflows, such as reviewing cases. The technician role has its own permission set, designed for day-to-day technical tasks. The same applies to the QC and manufacturer roles. You'll also notice the number shown in parentheses, which indicates how many users are currently assigned to each role. If your company has many users, this makes it easy to see how they are distributed across different roles. As a company admin, you can also create your own custom roles. To do this, click the New Role button. A slide-over panel will open, displaying all the permissions available to your own account. The only restriction is that a custom role cannot use the same name as one of the predefined global roles. For example, you can't create another role called Company Admin or Account Manager. However, you can choose any custom name, such as Admin Plus. You can even create a copy of the company admin role by selecting all available permissions. After creating the role, it will appear in the list. Unlike predefined roles, custom roles include edit and delete buttons. This means you can modify your custom roles at any time. You can add or remove permissions and save your changes. Any users assigned to that role will immediately receive the updated permissions. You can also delete a custom role after confirming the action. Once deleted, the custom role is permanently removed. When creating a new user, assigning a predefined global role is mandatory. A user cannot be created with only a custom role. This ensures that every user always has at least one predefined role, even if a custom role is later deleted. Let's create another custom role as an example. We'll call it QC+, then enable portal access, edit own password, quality check, chat with doctor, chat with internal members, and access user list. Now click Create. The new QC Plus role has now been added. If we go to the Users page and edit an existing user, you'll see that custom roles are now available in addition to the predefined roles. For example, we can assign the QC Plus role together with the technician role. As you can see, both roles are now assigned to the same user. If we review the permissions, they are combined into a single effective permission set. The user keeps all technician permissions, while also receiving the additional permissions from QC+. If we return to the Roles page, you'll notice that a custom role assigned to at least one user cannot be deleted. However, it can still be edited. As a company admin, you can continue updating the QC+ role at any time. Any users assigned to that role will automatically receive the updated permissions. When creating a new user, you'll also see that predefined global roles remain required, while custom roles are optional. Even if you select a custom role, you still won't be able to create the user without assigning a predefined global role, and that's how roles work in Vision. Thank you for watching.